All right, guys, here we go. Another full-time income opportunity. This 3.5 million monthly searches, 51,000 keywords. I'm over here in Ahrefs, and I've just typed in things to do. Now watch this video. It's going to be unlike the other ones that you've seen that have covered a similar topic. As you can see here, things to do. This top result, 5,000 monthly searches. People are looking up things to do in Fort Smith, Arkansas. So what we're going to do is we're going to create YouTube videos. So here we are, things to do in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Top result here, 6.8 thousand views, 25,000 subscribers. Look at this one, 761 views, 418 subscribers. But I want to show you this video, things to do near this place in Utah, 396 views. They are monetized, so they are a part of the YouTube Partner Program. But the interesting thing about this video is A, they don't show their face, B, they don't talk on this video at all. I'll show you in 1 second. All right, so this is the video. They basically record, and I'm just gonna fast forward here through some of this, but what they're doing is they just have this basic text on the screen, and in some of the parts, they're literally only showing screenshots. So watch this. So look at this. Does this look familiar? Let's go back 1 second. But does this look familiar? You know what this is? This is a screenshot of a Google map. So what they've done is they've gone over to Google Maps, then they've typed in things to do, and basically they're just doing screenshots. They're zooming in and out with video editing software, kind of like this. And then you could talk about it if you wanted to, but this is how you could potentially make money. You can go through, talk about each one of these locations, pinpoint it on the map, and talk about some things to do. And so you can make money when you join the YouTube Partner Program. With the YouTube Partner Program, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to get paid by the ad revenue. But you could actually be an affiliate marketer. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now, I'm going to show you the affiliate program you should use for this method. The affiliate program is Booking.com. So over at Booking.com, you can actually book stay, flights, flight travel, all of that stuff, and you'll get paid a commission. You can get paid up to 40% commission, but you have to have obviously over 501 bookings per month. That could happen up over time, but you're simply just going to refer people or tell people things to do in the location specified. You could do big cities like Chicago, Milwaukee, LA, but I think the area of opportunity are the small cities that large companies like TripAdvisor are skipping. So if you follow this, try this process out. I think there's some opportunity for you.